Okay, now let us see the exercise number 1. State the word class parts of speech of the underlined words. Now there are sentences are given and which has got the some words which is underlined. Okay, a poor boy called Dick lived in a small village in the south of England. Poor and south, both the words are underlined. So poor is an adjective, south is a noun. Next, the next morning, Dick woke up cold, miserable, and very hungry. So, cold and miserable both are adjectives. He had a small corner of the attic to sleep in. Attic is a noun, in is an adverb. So, Dick fetched his cat and said goodbye to it sadly. Fetch is a verb, sadly is an adverb. The captain told her not to be anxious. Captain is a noun, anxious is an adjective. Let us see the next one. He was not only famous but he was popular too. Famous and popular both are adjectives. She played the ragha for some time then went in for her studies. She pronoun, studies noun. Her surmise became a certainly. Her is adjective, surmise is a noun. She had been busy inside the house and had not been to the courtyard. Inside is a preposition, courtyard is a noun. With wonder in their eyes, they watched the plants. Wonder is a noun, they are a pronoun. A garden is in front of the house. Is a verb, front is a noun. He is a lawyer and a social worker who advocates the causes of women. Lawyer is a noun, social is an adjective. It is because of this that motherhood has been glorified. Because is a preposition, motherhood is a noun. Women and men are created as equals. Equals are noun. The focus of his presentation is developing India to its fullest potential. Preposition is presentation is a noun, fullest is an adjective. In this freedom that we must protect and nurture. This is an adjective, nurture is a verb. We are the first in milk production. First and production both are nouns. A large drop of water fell on him. Large is an adjective, fell is a verb. I live in a palace where there was no sadness. Where is a conjunction, sadness is a noun. When they came to swallow, fell down to the river for a bath. Swallow and bath both are nouns. Kite flying has a long history. Has is a verb, long is adjective. The people of Gujarat celebrate Uttarayan with a lot of enthusiasm. Enthusiasm is a noun. It is also a celebration to make the end of winter. To mark the end of winter. Celebration and winter both are nouns. The excitement does not end with nightfall. Excitement and nightfall both are nouns. Jonesy showed no signs of improvement. No is an adjective, improvement is a noun. She told Bearman about Jonesy's fancy. About is a preposition, fancy is a noun. Sushruta Samhita is one of the oldest works in the world dealing with surgery. Oldest is an adjective, surgery is a noun. The script appeared to consist of theorems. Script and theorems both are nouns. He knew nothing of modern rigor. Modern is the adjectives. He was amiably grateful. Amiably is an adverb. So dear students, we have already solved the chapter number 1 and I have read all the exercises. Okay, and I have taught you what is verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection, everything I have told you. Just go through the lesson and see the questions. You have to solve the questions when you get the books. Okay, so listen to the class what I have taken and solve the questions. Okay, and if you have any doubts you can tell me. Thank you.